Most people know La Spezia as just a stop on the way to Cinque Terre. But what if we told you this quiet port city holds its own hidden magic? La Spezia is the second largest city in Liguria, a gateway to the sea, full of history, charm, and local life. No crowds, no tourist traps, just the real Italy. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best things to do in La Spezia, Italy. From peaceful promenades and lush gardens to breathtaking coastal views and nearby gems. Let's discover why La Spezia deserves a spot on your Italy itinerary. Starting with number 5, Pedagiata Constantino Morin. This beautiful walkway is lined with palm trees and gives you amazing views of the sea, the Apuan Alps, and the coast leading to Porto Venere. The path was built using stones from the nearby military dockyard. Every year, on the first Sunday of August, a big boat race called Palio del Golfo starts here. At number 4, Cinque Terre. Piazza Garibaldi is a modern square where 2 of the city's most popular streets intersect. The main feature is a white marble fountain shaped like 2 sails, made by artist Villano Tarabella. When you look at it from a certain angle, the sails look like a heart, symbolizing the city's love for the sea. At number 3, Parkco Jordani Publici. This peaceful park sits between the old town and the harbor. It's full of exotic trees and beautiful statues, including a large statue of Italian hero Giuseppe Garibaldi on a horse. The gardens were built on land made from military construction leftovers. At number 2, the fountain at Piazza Garibaldi. Just outside La Spezia, this world-renowned area features 5 vibrant villages along the sea. You can visit them easily by train from La Spezia. Hiking the coast here is a must-do for nature and view lovers. Check out the number 1 places in our list. Gulf of the Poets. The sea around La Spezia is called the Gulf of the Poets because famous poets like Percy Bysshe Shelley were inspired here. Shelley even died nearby in a boating accident. Today, the area is more developed, but still beautiful. You can rent a boat or join a tour to explore the Gulf. Thank you for watching Vacation Plus. We hope you've been inspired to explore new horizons and experience unforgettable adventures. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips. Safe travels, and see you next time on Vacation Plus.